Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Firman Ardiansah. My student number is 192400632 and my prodi system is information system for University Binasarana Informatika in Purwokerto. I will give my opinion about the Indonesian versus Bahrain match which will be played in October this. Yes, maybe you already know that match has its pro and cons, especially the referee in the match, namely is Ahmed Al-Kaf. The match between Indonesia and Bahrain typically draws a lot of attention, especially given the contrasting style of play. Indonesia is known for its passionate fan base and attacking football, while Bahrain often showcases a more disciplined and tactical approach. Fans may view the match as an opportunity for Indonesia to assert its growing presence in Asian football, while Bahrain may see it as an opportunity to maintain its competitive edge in the region. Key players and their performance can also heavily influence opinions as well as the overall outcome of the match. Ultimately, the assessment of such a match often comes down to the unpredictability of football, with fans eagerly anticipating the clash of style and the potential of memorable moment. Yeah, this my opinion, Firman Ardiansah. Thank you for watching me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Firman Ardiansah. My student number is 192400632. My class is 191821 and my study program is Information System from University Binasarana Informatika Purwokerto. And I will explain the simple present. Why simple present is important in English? Jadi kenapa simple present itu sangat penting dalam bahasa Inggris? The simple present tense is important in English for several reasons. Nah, jadi apa? Simple present itu sangat penting dalam bahasa Inggris karena sebuah alasan. Yang pertama, expressing habits and routines, mengekspresikan suatu kebiasaan dan rutinitas. Is describe action that are habitual or routine. Ini menggambarkan sebuah perilaku, kebiasaan atau rutin. Dan yang kedua, stating facts atau mengungkapkan fakta, menyampaikan fakta juga bisa. The simple present is used for universal truths and fact. Nah, simple present itu digunakan untuk mengungkapkan fakta universal. Dan yang ketiga, describing general situation, menggambarkan suatu situasi. It convey general truths dan situasi. Next. What is a simple present? Apa itu simple present? The simple present is a verb tense with two main use. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happening regularly. Jadi, simple present itu adalah sebuah kata kerja yang digunakan, yang mempunyai dua kegunaan. Yang pertama, we use the simple present tense when an action in happening right now. Nah, simple present itu digunakan untuk kejadian yang sedang terjadi, or when it happening regularly, atau kejadian yang berulang kali. Next. The simple present tense, also known as the present infinite, has many uses including 1. Expressing habits. 2. Describing unchanging situation. Number 3. Stating the general truth. And the structure of simple present is point 1 is positive. Subject plus verb. Verb 1, yes, this. and plus s atau s. Nah, subjek ini bisa berupa she, he, or they, we, are, you, atau subjek lainnya. Next. And this, the point 2 is negative. This negative is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Next. And the point 3 is the structure of simple present in question. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Next. This example positive is I play football, and 2 is he run in field. And this example for negative is she does not love comic. We do not love comic. And this example for question is, do you like Liverpool FC? And 2 is, does he like Liverpool FC? And this is explanation for a positive in simple present is I. I is for the subject, and play is verb 1, and football is object. Next. And this explanation for a negative. Negative is C for subject, does not is does plus not, and love is verb 1, and comic is object. And this is explanation for question. Do this for do or does it. You is subject, like is verb, just verb 1, and Liverpool is object. And the difference about the simple present and present continuous. The present simple is described as action that are repeated or done regularly. Well, the continuous work for ongoing action. For example, I am studying for the exam. Is in the present continuous because it is something that is currently happening. Well, is I study every day isn't the present simple because it is regular routine. Nah, simple present itu sangat berbeda dengan present continuous ya. Untuk present present itu digunakan untuk sesuatu kebiasaan yang digunakan yang terjadi berulang kali atau ya sebuah kebiasaan tadi rutin. Sedangkan present continuous itu digunakan untuk kejadian yang sedang berlangsung atau yang sedang terjadi. Contohnya itu I'm studying for the exam, dan di sini ada terdapat ing yang itu sebuah struktur yang ada di present continuous. I am studying for the exam. Saya sedang belajar untuk ujian. Dan bedakan sama yang I study every day. Nah, I study every day itu untuk yang simple present. Saya belajar setiap hari. Nah, setiap hari itu kan berulang-ulang. Jadi sangat berbeda ya. Ini penjelasan kedua. Overall, the present simple is used to talk about habits, routines, and the general truth. While the present continuous is used to talk about things that are happening right now or will happen in the near future. Example is, it is raining now, and I'm going out tonight. Nah, simple present itu digunakan untuk ya seperti tadi, untuk suatu kebiasaan dan rutinitas dan sebuah fakta. Nah, sedangkan present continuous itu yang terjadi sekarang atau yang sedang terjadi atau will happen in the near future atau yang akan terjadi di masa yang akan datang. Nah, contohnya ini yang kedua, it is raining now. Hari ini sedang hujan, sekarang sedang hujan. Dan yang kedua, I'm going out tonight. Saya akan pergi malam nanti. Nah, itu sebuah contoh yang present continuous. Next. Nah, this is practice. Nah, di sini see bla 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 to school every day. Nah, Sini jawabnya mesti goes B. And number two is they blah 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 coffee every day. Nah, they drink B. And number three is he blah 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 his homework before dinner. He does his homework before dinner. B. And the four, the sun blah 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 in the east. The sun is rises. Yes, it's B. And we blah 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 to the market on weekend. Is we is go B. This is my reference. This source for practice in English Nesia and the different simple present tense and present continuous in Promova. Yes, just this my explanation about the simple present. Thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.